How to send encrypted messages on Signal app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Signal app on your device. Click on Chats at the bottom left corner of your screen. In here, click on the pencil icon. It will open all your contacts. Simply select one of your contacts you want to send a message. Now you can simply type in the message and send. The message is automatically end-to-end encrypted. Confirm encryption by checking the lock icon next to the contact name at the top as well. And continue messaging securely. This is how to send encrypted messages on Signal app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.